Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss 5 suitable words for multiple topics that can be used very frequently in writing and speaking modules and will make your work impressive. So without wasting time, let's begin. So first word is posterity. Posterity means future generation. For example, it is the need of the hour for masses to consider their duty to save environment for posterity. So replace future generation with posterity to grab good scores in your writing and speaking modules. Next word is gain ground. Gain ground means to become more popular. Now, let's use these words in a sentence. For example, Aam Aadmi Party is gaining ground in India. So instead of saying that Aam Aadmi Party is becoming more popular in India, you should use these words gain ground. Next word is dissenting opinion. It means opposite opinion. So whenever you have to write opposite opinion, so you must use this word dissenting opinion. For example, it is thought by some masses that science subject is crucial for students while others hold a dissenting opinion. In simple words, this sentence means some people think that science subject is important for students while others hold a opposite opinion. So instead of writing opposite opinion, you should use this word dissenting opinion. Next word is lucrative job. It means well-paid job. For example, it is a daunting task to get lucrative job in this cutthroat competitive era. So instead of writing this word well-paid or good job, you should use this word lucrative. Next is short-sighted. Short-sighted means narrow-minded. For example, some short-sighted people ponder that science should not be mandatory for all scholars as some students have different interests. So instead of writing narrow-minded people, you should use this word short-sighted. So you start using these words to make your writing and speaking module impressive. And that's it for this session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.